Hello, Ria. How are you?
Hi, Sahif. I am fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Do you like holidays? Why or why not?
I like holidays because they give me a chance to relax and take a break from my studies. I can spend more time with my family and friends. When I come back from vacation, I feel refreshed and much more focused.
How do you usually spend your holidays?
I spend most of my holidays reading books and traveling. I enjoy both reading and traveling to new places a lot and always can't wait for a holiday so that I can go away and meet some new people while reading books on my journey.
What are the some places you love visiting on your holidays?
I always love to visit new places, you know. I like to travel to a different place every time. I prefer places of natural beauty and historical interest.
Do you like spending your holidays more with your family or with your friends?
Both, I would say, you know. It's very different how I enjoy it with my family and with my friends. I spend most of my holidays with my family where we spend time and do a lot of stuff together. And it's amazing every time how I rediscover how much they really mean to me. I spend some of my holidays with my friends too, and these are extremely fun, as it gives a sense of total freedom.
Where did you go for your last holiday?
I went to Dhaka for my last holiday. It was January 2024 and was a very memorable holiday. My cousin had invited us to his destination wedding in Dhaka.
Do you enjoy your holidays more now than you did as a child?
Well, not really. I would say I enjoyed my holidays more as a child, you know. As a child, I didn't have to worry too much about things. I always could have fun and enjoy my holidays, not worrying about some projects to finish or deadlines to meet.
What are the some public holidays in your country?
Well, some of the most important public holidays in Bangladesh are the Independence Day, Hola Boishakh, the Victory Day, and International Mother Language Day, which is also known as Bengali Language Movement Day.
Which public holiday do you like the most?
I love all public holidays, but Independence Day is my favorite.
How important do you think it is to celebrate public holidays?
I think it's very important. Each public holiday has its own merits and importance. Each of them represents certain historical, national, or traditional values. And therefore, I believe public holidays should be celebrated with utter importance.
What are the some common activities people do on public holidays in your country?
Well, in general, people spend most of their time on a public holiday with their friends and family. However, there are certain activities people do on certain public holidays, such as people offer flowers at the Shaheed Menar on International Mother Language Day and at the National Martyrs Monument to commemorate the martyrs who died during the language movement in 1952 and the Liberation War in 1971.
How public holidays differ in your country from other countries?
Well, I don't find any differences. Public holidays are usually to celebrate certain days that historically or traditionally important, and I believe it's the same throughout the world.
Is there anything you would love to change about the way people celebrate the public holidays in your country?
No, not really. I think the way most people celebrate the public holidays in my country is completely fine.
It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
You are welcome. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.